Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Avast account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your computer or phone is connected to the internet. Open your web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser. Type avast.com and press enter to go to the official Avast website. Look at the top right area of the page for the sign-in option. Click Sign In to open the Avast account login page. If you see multiple sign-in choices, select the Avast account option. Click inside the email field. Type the email address you used when creating your Avast account. Double-check that your email is spelled correctly with no extra spaces. Click inside the password field. Type your Avast account password carefully. If you want to see the password, click the eye icon if it is available. If you are on a personal device, you can enable the Remember Me option if shown. Now click the Sign In button to log in. Wait a few seconds while Avast verifies your account information. If you are asked to confirm you are not a robot, complete the security check. If Avast sends a verification code, open your email and look for the latest message from Avast. Copy the verification code from the email exactly as shown. Return to the Avast login page and paste the code into the verification field. Click Verify or Continue to finish the login process. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email again and click the password reset link from Avast. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere secure. Go back to the Avast login page and sign in using your new password. After logging in, check that you can see your subscriptions, devices, and account settings. If the page does not load correctly, refresh the browser or try another browser and sign in again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.